So it is Friday. It's Friday. We almost said Thursday. It is Friday, guys, and I just got up. Well, wake up, but whenever I get up out of the bed, it is now 7:26, and I kind of feel hungry. So I wanted some, what do you call it? Some banana pancakes for breakfast. Oh yes, this is the hair, by the way, in the daylight. It's so nice, but it's heavy. It's very, very heavy. But yes, this is the hair in the daylight. So yes, I'm gonna just, because I don't want it to get in the way, but I didn't want to keep it covered, so I took off the head cover. Guys, it's so tight, and just, but yeah, I'm just gonna tie it backwards, like tie it back. Yes, tie it backwards. We're gonna just tie it back right now, and then get started on my pancakes. So yeah, I'm gonna try to find something I can watch, but then I'm gonna need to use this anyways. Ooh, the sun is coming out too, so let's open the window, let in some air. Ooh, so nice. So yes, it's so nice outside. So people, so I need to look a recipe. I did look one the other day. I know it need milk, but I didn't have any milk. I'm not buying no milk, but the thing is, I'm probably not using either the Lasco or the creamer. I don't know which one would be best. I'm thinking probably the Lasco may be best. So I don't know. But yes, we're gonna see if we can get breakfast on the road. Yeah. So I'm gonna look for the recipe and then I'm gonna start. So this is the recipe I'm gonna be using. Well, I'm gonna try that recipe. So let's just prop that up right there. I'm gonna get my ingredients. So I said I don't need 2 bananas. So we got some ripe bananas over here. So I need 2 ripe bananas, medium. These are kind of medium, right? Yeah, medium. I need eggs. All right, so let's start on the top. I need the cup. I need to wash the cup, and then the teaspoon and thingy. So I'll go in here for it. All right, so I have my whisk. Probably so these on the stove. And a dish, I'm gonna assemble everything in. So yeah. You guys know it's a vlogging day when I take out my tripod, Hey, you just frightened her. Let's go feed some pigs. Oh, me? Yes, us. Let's go. I thought I was on breakfast duty. Come on. I don't want to feed no pigs. I wanted to be on breakfast duty. All right, so apparently, what's your bread? I follow this girl. Like a feed pig.
Then when you want to do go over there?
Yeah.
You have to be
so cool about my ear.
So come here, use one hand, people. Use one hand.
I don't know. I need to the little one them. How much in the second one? In the third one? Not three, Shani.
You don't get none.
You forget. A tree. Because I see close.
You trying to get this. Oh man. Can't give them some over here. I know.
I got water. So guys, we come see the pigs. So yeah. Now if you water full up, and then we're gonna give them some water. Oh, I'm gonna come over here to actually get macadamia with cheese. Not me.
All of them get into water?
Huh?
Just set it.
I think I'm on to get water. I gotta take up my phone. So it's what? 1.5 cups of flour.
Did you find a recipe?
Yeah. That's how much clothes I need milk. How many I have now? If I go and make a milk today. Let's say more easy. Let's go.
Last score, whatever.
So 1.
I'm going to say last one on milk. Probably the day I use that. They say last one on milk.
I've been wanting something from you. You make me that nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You make me that nothing. Oh. I've been wanting something from you. You make me that nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You make me that nothing. Oh.
Alright, so pretty much what I'm gonna do for the milk portion of it, I'm gonna get some water and I'm gonna pour it in a cup. Oops. I'm gonna use this cup. So I'm gonna get the water, a cup of water. So I measure out a cup of water and I'm gonna pour it into this. And now I'm gonna mix up something. So since I don't have any milk, I'm going to be using the creamer, which is this. So I'm going to use the non-dairy creamer. I'm just going to try and make it as milky as possible, or just put some in there to make milk. You get me? Since we don't have any milk. Can I add mix up milk now? I want to see. So see, it kind of looks like milk. Yeah, it looks like milk. And then I need some oil. A third cup.
I've been wanting something from you. You make me that nothing. Oh, I've been wanted something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh.
So yeah, so that's how you make banana pancakes. So I'm gonna let this sit for a few, not go over something there. I'm gonna use this to like scoop it, as I say, quarter. So I just want them to be even. So I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna clean up in a second. Wait, let's just pat them together. Alright, so I'm gonna get the pots and so on the stove, and then I'm gonna start the pancakes. They look so delicious and they smell even more amazing.
Get nice cake. Yeah.
So guys, breakfast is ready. We have eggs, we got the banana pancakes we just made. The eggs was done by Shan. So yeah, it has bologna, egg, cheese
Upon cheese.
Tomato, it have
upon
little
cheese.
onion, you know,
You never
nice
have no
goodness.
pepper, that's why you not see the
Yeah,
bread.
but it looks nice. Well, me taste some of it already, so it's nice.
So you can close your eye.
No.
Don't feel to do no one to me.
Okay. Alright guys, so I finished eating breakfast. Right now, I'm gonna take some of my vitamins. It's the Nature's Bounty Hair, Skin and Nails Gummies. This is what it looks like. Right there. Kinda not sure good, but yeah, right there. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I'm supposed to get it for 2. Yeah. So we're going to take 2 after a meal. What's up? Yeah. So yeah. So I'm gonna clean the kitchen and then I have some things to do, but I'm tired. I don't. This is why I hate combing hair, people. Right now my hair very tight, and because it was so tight last night, it's like it's pulling on my hair, and my head just hurt me. so but anyways, I'm gonna clean the kitchen. Okay, my ear with something. One thing about this hair, it is really soft. It feels really soft and it's so bouncy, you know. It has a buzz. But anyways, so now enough of it.
We just read. I'm not sure. But come home, cook me and her. I'm still not sure.
Good morning, guys. So it is Saturday. Oh yes, I didn't show you guys my nails yesterday. So I got my nails done yesterday. Didn't get to show you guys. So these are the nails. Decided to do yellow because I'm wearing like yellow stuff and I just love yellow. So excuse with it. My nail literally say, I can't come around the corner yellow for the rest of the year. I mean, what do you like again for my birthday? What she said? Not again for the rest of the year. So, every time I grow them, I always want something yellow. She said, not again for the rest of the year. So, I'm going to take a good look at it because I'm not get it for the rest of the year. So, anyways, I also did my toes. I let her paint my toes because I didn't want to do it acrylic. So, I let her paint it. And I painted it white. So, yeah, I'll show you that too.
These are my ugly toes. Yeah, so that's that.
So yeah, those are painted in white. So yeah, I don't know what the rest of this vlog will be, but yeah, you guys saw when I did my hair in the previous vlog. So I ended up like splitting this vlog because when I added the footage from this vlog with the other one, it was like way too long. It was like 47 minutes and I'm like, I gotta cut that down because when I finished editing the first part of that vlog, it was like at 16 minutes and I'm like, there's no way this is gonna be less than 30 minutes or 20 minutes. So I just split it and say, you know what, let's continue to vlog on this one. I edit this one separately. So yeah, so it's Saturday. Might have a separate vlog for Sunday. Yes, I'm gonna do that because it's gonna be way too long. So I'm gonna have a separate vlog for Sunday. Yeah. So I think this vlog you guys are seeing on Tuesday. So happy Tuesday. Anyways, so yeah. So yes, I'll see you guys in the rest of this vlog. Don't know what I'm doing for the Saturday. Maybe somebody come knock on the grill. I'm gonna come out if you go see a ooh. Come on, tell me a ooh. But I'm gonna see him. So I don't know. All right, later.